Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Boult Audio Propods X. On the front of the box, we have some imagery depicting the earphones in use by its brand ambassador. On the left hand side of the box, we have some Boult Audio branding. On the right hand side, we have a more clear image of the earphones along with its charging case. Same on the top. On the bottom, we have a few of the salient features which include extra bass, built-in microphone, HD, deep bass and 3D acoustics. We also have some warranty information right here, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also have a built-in micro woofer. On the back of the box, we have some more salient features which include call and music control, Siri and Google Voice Assistants, noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.0 auto pairing, both earbuds are master earbuds, and stereo calling with microphone. Over here we have the importing and manufacturing information, and on the bottom we have the customer care details. To the right we have the BIS certification symbol. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a user manual, and this should help you get started off with using the device and understanding its various buttons and features. Next is the warranty registration card, which has a QR code that can be scanned to activate the warranty. But once again, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Here is the charging cable. It has a USB Type-A interface on one end and a USB Type-C interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 12 inches long. We have also been provided with 2 additional pairs of ear tips in a size larger and a size smaller than the ones that are already fit on the earbuds. While we have the earbuds in hand, we can see that it has a matte black color scheme going for it all the way around it. Over here are the ear tips, easily removable. There's also some Boult Audio branding on the stem, and there is a hole right here that we suspect might be for the microphone. On the bottom of the stem, we have the contact points for the charging, and on the inside, we have an indicator as to which ear this earbud is for. For example, this one is marked as R, meaning that it is for the right ear. Coming to the charging case, that too has a matte black color scheme going for it. The top has some Boult Audio branding, and it also has 4 LED lights to show you the charging status or the amount of charge that it has left in the charging case. It opens up like this, and inside there is a gray color scheme and the slots for each of the earbuds. The earbuds slot in magnetically, so they won't come out if you turn the charging case around. On the bottom, we have the USB Type-C port for charging. There's nothing on the back. So let's get started with using these earphones. To put them into pairing mode, we need to remove them from the charging case. Now we'll look for them in the available devices section of our Bluetooth menu. Here we see that the Bluetooth name of the device is Boult Audio AirBass. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Now that it is connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is 100%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Boult Audio Propods X. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.